Hey friends, if the task manager is blank and not showing processes at all, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolution. See, here's the thing. A lot of people are suggesting that you can try solutions with the settings on the task manager, but that doesn't work because the task manager is blank. So, first of all, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The next solution will be a disk cleanup just in case there's any clutter that is causing the issue. So search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and go to disk cleanup and then check all of the boxes here and then click on OK and then select delete files. Then you can update Windows. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. Okay. And obviously restart your computer. So right click on the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.